thought this would be the best of days. Look at how things are happening so fast. Everybody's running away from me. Even my best friend no longer texts. What did I do to the world?
Peer pressure is two-sided, positive and negative. All of us have had an interaction with either. The conversation about peer pressure has been pushed deep inside the streets. But it even needs to get inside our living rooms because peer pressure either makes or breaks a man.
I wanna open my heart, bila surgery. In short, nataka kufungua roho. I wanna tell the truth and it shall set me free. Jusai, na feel niko prison committee. Cause there is a fire burning inside me. Na inachoma kamiti. Kama warrior can swear, walai. Jusina reason ya kudanganya, why lie? Historia peer pressure inaniua, inanimaliza, ina break my heart na inaimeltisha kando. Kama uamini tafadhali kando. John Tekano.
There is no need for going to class.
Really? No, I have to go to class. What if something happens in the out of class?
Nothing can happen. For the more the lecturer.
Hello.
Hi.
Who is this telling you not to go to class? Yeah, we dance for a generation.
So what are you guys doing at the moment?
At the moment, we're having a project to peer pressure campaign that unites youths and makes them utilize their free time to talk free.
Positively.
Yeah, positively actually. Instead, we could do other things like crime or anything like that. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Go out and get them time.
Yeah, so we utilize our time to earn cash and unite as a big brothers and sisters.
So you guys are doing a good campaign about peer pressure.
Yeah, exactly. Being part of peer pressure conversation ni a major contribution towards a positive peer pressure generation yenye tunaishi.
Peer pressure is two-sided, positive and negative.